Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are featuring all drugstore affordable makeup. So for all of you beauties on a budget, this video is for you. If y'all want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So today's video is all about affordable drugstore makeup. Let's just get straight into it. So I'm using this primer from Milani. It's the No Pore Zone. And I'm going to apply that all over. First thing I'm noticing is that like most drugstore primers, it has like that super silicone-y feel to it. And it does have like a little bit of texture to it. I'm not sure exactly what that's coming from, but it just feels like most lower end primers do. All right, so keeping with like that underpainting method, I think I really like it. So I'm just going in with concealer. This one is from Maybelline. This is the Fit Me concealer. Is that what it's called? Yeah, the Fit Me concealer. And this is the shade Honey. Just for a little bit more brightness, I'm gonna go underneath my eye with the Instant Age Rewind concealer. This one I'm not going to use a lot of because the last time I used it, I had a little bit of irritation, but I really liked the way that it looked. So I'm just gonna use a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna set my under eyes real quick before I move on to the next step, just because I don't want it to crease up real bad. So I'm using the Makeup Revolution banana powder. And you know what? I just realized why I stopped using this powder, because it gets like patchy. Like I'm sure you guys can see it because I can see it clearly on my monitor, like how patchy that is underneath my eye. So I'm gonna like try to blend that out. Okay, that was an instant regret. Oh man, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that away so that I don't forget that I don't like it again. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. And I know Milk Makeup is not a drugstore brand, but I'm only using it because I don't have any drugstore like contours or bronzers. But this one I got from TJ Maxx, so it was a little bit cheaper than if I was to buy it in Sephora or off of their website. So that's why I'm gonna go ahead and use this one today. I do think this shade is just a little light for me. But I'm not going for like a super dramatic look today, so it'll be fine. My face is already itching, y'all. This is why I don't do a whole lot of like drugstore videos and stuff, because it usually irritates my skin. It's super mild right now though, but I do have some itchiness like in this area here. Okay, so that's all blended in. So I'm just going in with this cream blush from Milani. This is in the shade Nude Kiss. I'm just gonna apply that with my finger. For my highlighter, I'm going in with this liquid highlighter from Makeup Revolution. As you can tell, it's like super old, very well used because the packaging is all rubbed off. With this one, you have to blend it out fast because it dries down really quick. For my foundation today, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me. This one is the Matte and Poreless, and it's in the shade 330 Toffee. And this one is the pouch. I did do a review on this like last year. I'll link it up top so that you guys can go back and watch that if you haven't already. And I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply it with a sponge. All right, so that's all blended in now. I'm just gonna set my face with the Fit Me powder. This one is in medium deep. And I'm using a brush, but I'm just making sure to tap it in. So I ended up going in and setting my under eye and like the center of my face with my Laura Mercier honey powder. And that's only because that Makeup Revolution one just wasn't working for me, and I don't have any other yellow toned powder that's like drugstore. So I just went ahead and did that off camera. And before I move on to my eyes or the rest of my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use my setting spray now. And I'm using the Milani Make It Last Matte Finishing Spray. This is my first time using this one. Ooh, it has like kind of a strong like alcohol-y smell, but I really like the way that it sprays out. Like it's like a mist. Can you see that? I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's a mist, so it's not as like jarring as when it hits your face. I am noticing it's a little sticky though. Like it feels like I can feel it on my face. Pore tightening and crease proof. 3-in-1 lightweight spray, controls oil, mattifies, and set makeup for 16 hours. Pore tightening formula used throughout the day for instant matte touch-ups. Okay, moving on to the eyes now. I went ahead and already primed my eyes. I'm just going to use this eyeshadow palette from the Lip Bar. This one is called After Party. And I'm really interested to use this purple. Isn't that pretty? And this rose gold. Y'all know I love a good rose gold. But before I do that, I want to go back to the setting spray real quick. So remember how I said the setting spray was sticky? Well, some of it like got onto this palette. Can you see those little dots on it? Hold on. Can y'all see those dots? That's from the setting spray. And I can see that on my face too. And it's even like on my hand from where the mist like dropped onto my hand. Like I can see it. And it's like almost like powder, which I think is super interesting. I can see it like on the tips of my lashes. I see it on my nose. So that's super interesting. All right, so back to the eyes. Of course, I'm gonna take this brown color and I'm gonna put that in my crease. It's super pigmented. I've never used anything from Lip Bar before, so I really didn't know like what to expect. But yeah, you definitely get a lot of color out of that. I think I want to do a cut crease, so I'm actually going to bring that brown up a little bit higher than I normally would. And then I'm going to take a precision brush and go in with that purple to really draw that crease out. Okay, we got that purple down, so now I'm just going to go in and draw out that crease shape. I'm just using the same Fit Me concealer that I use underneath my eyes. So this palette has like a mirror inside of it. It also comes with a little brush. I'm not using that though, but I'm gonna use this mirror so I can see up close. So easy trick, put a little bit of concealer or whatever you're using to cut your crease on your eyelid and look up. And then wherever that dot hits, that's where you cut your crease. And for some reason, I never blend out that crease color high enough, so I know I'm gonna have to go back and fix that too. That brush ended up making that process way more difficult than it had to be. So I ended up having to switch to a different brush at the end, but I'm just gonna like go back in with that purple really quick and just redefine that line. All right, so now I'm going in with that rose gold color and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. And that concealer wasn't great for the whole cut crease thing either, so I think that's also part of why I struggled a little bit. Yeah, that this cut crease was a dub. Did not work in my favor, so we're just gonna blend everything together and keep it pushing. And I feel like I want to go in with a little more of that brown just to blend it out a little more. Okay, I'm gonna finish my eyes off camera. I'm just gonna do like my lower lash line, lashes, all of that, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, guys. So my eyes are a little irritated, so if my lashes are crooked, that's why, because my eyes were watering really bad and I had to like keep applying and removing my lashes and stuff, and they're still a little bit watery now. Luckily, they're not super red or anything. So yeah, let's just finish up this look. I think I want to go in with a powder bronzer just to like redefine my face a little bit. Like I can still see what was used underneath, but I think I just want to take it up a notch. I'll decide after I do my lips. I'm just gonna use this lip pencil from the Lip Bar. This is in the shade Straight Living. Actually, let me wipe off this lip balm first. I don't want a super dramatic lip, so I'm just going in with this lip gloss from Revlon. It's the Super Lustrous Gloss in the color Sandstorm. And it's like a nude with gold shimmers. All right, guys, so this is the final look featuring all drugstore affordable makeup products. If you like this look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already and you've made it this far, you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe and that thumbs up button so I know that you keep wanting to see content from me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you are continuing to stay safe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.